The data for commodity prices shows that prices are still expected to remain high. Although the price increases of some ingredients have eased up, many of these prices are still on the high side. Current estimates in Asia are that feed costs have increased by 13%. This 13% increase in feed cost has resulted in a 15% increase in the cost to produce per unit of the animal being grown to harvest weight. Last year, when we saw raw material prices becoming more and more challenging, we stepped back and looked at our portfolio to see what we could go to market with to help customers manage. So SOS 1.0, our first SOS program, is about realizing savings in formula cost. Managing formula cost is always a top priority for our customers. And the program led to a lot of science on how to change your feed formulas for savings available. But that is not looking at the big picture, because feed cost is another factor driving the price. It's manufacturing. SOS 2.0 goes back a step, helping customers save in the feed manufacturing process and their formula. By challenging the status quo of these two aspects of feed cost, we can help customers save more per animal. They produce without sacrificing performance. So SOS 2.0 is centered around our Meal Smart program for increasing field meal efficiency and animal nutrition solutions revolving around our biosurfactant, Lysofort, and enzyme products working on improving energy value of raw materials.
KEMIN boasts a very leading role in the research and applications of bioemulsifier, which can come in handy during this challenging time. KEMIN is one of the first few companies to develop a genuine multi-protease that can help enhance protein and amino acid digestibility by around 4% to 5% in monogastric animals. With these innovative solutions, KEMIN could help feed producers have more leeway in dealing with high raw material costs and generally save $7 to $10 per metric ton of feed.
By listening to our customers and working with them to identify their needs, we can give them a suitable recommendation whether to go for SOS 1.0 or SOS 2.0.
The support we provide to customers is key to the SOS programs and KEMIN as a business. It is not just the product alone, but also KEMIN services that customers can benefit from. So even at the farm level, we can conduct an audit to see how the birds or pigs perform and suggest cost-saving approaches. Our value-added services differentiate KEMIN from many other feed additive companies operating in the region.